Good evening, everyone. Hope you've had a wonderful first half of the week. Let's jump in the analysis here. Natural gas hourly time frame. As you can see, we had a very nice pullback all the way down to a little bit through the 288 mark, like I was looking at, down to around 287.3. Popped back up, and again, still fighting with that 23.6 fib here, and also looking at a challenge of the 50 period moving average. Now, I do believe that we should see a little bit of a push to the downside here, maybe around 289.4, and then we should see another push to the upside here. Looking for a move up to at least a 50% fib, which is around 290, let's just call it 293, and then probably a little bit of a breakdown to around 291.6 and another launch upwards to about the 296 level, which is going to coincide with the downward trending resistance line, which is the lower session highs that we've been seeing. So far so good, looking pretty good. As I said before in my last video and probably a dozen others, once we are back in this 288, we should look for the range to be bound around that 3 to 288 level. So again, we should anticipate more of the same. Another move up to 296 is what I'm expecting on the peak of this move here. Is it out of the question for us to push upwards back up to around that 3 level? Absolutely not. It's natural gas. It does a heck of a lot of different interesting things. So if we can penetrate above that trend line here, I'd assume that that's a pretty good level to look for potential short opportunity back down to at least the 296 level if that does occur. Conversely, if we happen to break below the 288 level, which again I'm thinking that we still move to these 296s, then we are going to be looking at another move back down, more so towards those 280 levels again, just to get a nice little washout here, and then we'd be looking at another move back up to challenge those 288s. But again, I look at that as a lower probability. I think we have a very similar type move like we're seeing back here, where we had a nice little dip pop up and then we had a very nice rip to the upside. So very similar looking wind up here, and we are looking for that upside target to the 296. Have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll update you all on the weekend as usual.